Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Oracle Espresso machine. For this machine, we replaced the three-way solenoid that is located right here. We also replaced the O-rings from the boiler, but as well as from the brew boiler. Some of those gaskets from some of the O-rings from the boiler were leaking out, and it was shorting out the machine. And we also find a lot of scale buildup inside the boiler, so we did a descale cycle on the whole machine and tried to remove as many from the descale axis. So yeah, that's all we did. So starting with one shot of espresso and test this machine out. Hopefully pick out the right settings of this machine, or we're going to see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Good color as well. Two ounces of liquid, which is perfect, and as you can see, nice crema forming at the top. Nice shot of espresso. Steamer is working perfectly fine as well. Espresso coming out with steam one. And hot water working as well. And there you have it, Breville Oracle working. So thank you so much for the Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.